Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your DaZn app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here, click here on apps, click on it. Sorry, we'll go back. Click here on apps. Then it's going to take you to this list and there you're looking for here DaZn app, or just click on search. Sorry, you click on search here, add here DaZn. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click on force stop, click on OK. Then you scrolling down here, click on storage, click here on clear cache. Then you just restart your phone. So when you click here on storage, when you click here on clear cache, just restart your phone, start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.